Hello, it's Pup's Life. You are watching Top 5 Best Dog Car Seats. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Wuglo Extra Stable Dog Car Seat. Due to the 3 belts and the anchoring, this car dog bed is extremely stable and safer than most other products. In addition, the length adjustable safety belt on our dog booster car seat keeps your dog firmly in place. Number 4. Utotol Dog Car Seat. Utotol Dog Car Seat is filled with super soft PP cotton filler, makes this pet car seat have good filling elasticity, thick and full, fluffy and soft. The raised parts on both sides can provide comfortable support for the dog's head. Utotol Dog Booster Seat is made of sturdy Oxford fabric with thicker coating. The pet seat cover is resistant to wear and tear. Number 3. BurgeonNest Dog Car Seat. BurgeonNest Dog Booster Car Seat is made of sturdy Oxford fabric with thicker coating and reinforced with double stitches. There is no more stitching torn, ripped in the washer. Adjustable buckle design. The car seat for dogs can be installed easily. Just fix the buckle to the top and back of the seat and adjust the length of straps. Number 2. FAREYY Dog Car Seat. FAREYY Dog Car Bed uses sturdy strap and a nylon belt with buckle. The length can be adjusted arbitrarily. At the same time, it comes with a safety belt to keep the puppy in the bed without jumping out. In addition, the non-slip rubber dots under the bottom make the dog booster seat fixed on your car seat. Number 1. BOCHAO Dog Car Seat. Detachable, easy to machine wash, with a large capacity, Oxford cloth storage, pocket for easy loading of the dog seat for easy storage and space saving. High quality Oxford made dog car heightening seat, keeping pet warm and comfortable, wear resistant, bite resistant and durable.